No, I have never done any Python training.
No.
Before I came here, I never studied any program.
No, I hadn't had any experience with Python.
Yeah, I've done that.
Yes, I learned some C, C++, a little bit of Java.
No, I did not understand the amount of coding before I came here because I have never done coding before, and I did not go in depth with the courses, and I tried to understand what we were supposed to do.
By that time, I didn't, but now I understand that it was really, really important. Really organized and really focused on the things that we must learn, so it was really useful.
I think the training module for me was very helpful because there's so much information out there, and it kind of narrowed down right down to the basics, starting from the basics. So it was really intuitive. It was easy to follow.
On average, like 5 hours every week.
I should have spent more, around 3-4 hours per day.
Learning is good because, first of all, you don't have to have the software installed on your computer. So for the e-learning, you can just access it online. So all you need is an internet connection. So I think that kind of helps with the access.
This is very useful. It's web-based, so we can do all the work everywhere.
I find very useful because it was online, so I can use my free time for learning when I have free time because I was working before I came here. I think it's very useful because you have the information in your device, computer, maybe mobile phone, tablet. You can use in a free time.
I benefited tremendously because most of our classes here we use Python instead of MATLAB, so the training allows us to operate much better within the classes.
Of course, because if I hadn't do this lesson before, I think will be very hard to start without this knowledge because it's necessary to do before I start the class.
There's a lot of information in the e-learning platform, but I think if you spend more time on it, for my stage, I think there was more than enough information for me to get things going.
I think I benefit a lot, not only for regarding my time, but I mean in general, I can use it in future projects, surveys, or research. I think it is a huge benefit because everything now we are doing it in Python, so that's a really good skill that you have and you're gonna use it for sure.
My impression is that it's very useful, it's very good. If the people have maybe more time, because almost the people that came here almost are working, so don't have so much time for learning. But I think it's really good, this lesson.
They were really straightforward and we had feedback, so they were really concerned about letting us know what was wrong, what we could improve, and which part of the modules we should spend more time.
The e-training was really, really good, and I definitely recommend it for anyone who wishes to learn Python.
I think it was really good, and as I told you, it was really organized, and with all the notes and the external links that we can find more things, I think it was pretty good. And I was pretty happy with the training.